Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 super easy hijab styles with you guys. I'm jumping right into it. So the first style is a low turban style. I'm using a crisscross undercap and I'm actually doing this style using a crinkle hijab. I really love this material because it really does not move all day. I've got equal portions of the hijab on each side and I've just pinned it up at the back. I used a no snag pin because they don't ruin your hijab. So I made 2 twists for both of the sides, and then I've brought both of these sides to the same side, and then I'm doing a 3rd twist. Now after this, all you need to do is wrap it around your bun. Obviously you can have a smaller bun, if you want to have a smaller bun. My bun looks a little bit big because I've got a scrunchie inside, but that was just to show you guys. And that is the complete style. You can dress it up, you can put diamantes or anything like that. The second style is perfect for winter. It is kind of like a hijab turban style, but you've got neck coverage. I'm using this beautiful velvet crinkle material which I've never seen in my life, but the website that I actually got these hijabs from stocks these. I will link everything below. And so basically you're gonna make a knot at the back, and then one of the sides I am folding over my head. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tuck this inside and keep it really secure, because the other side, like right at the front, I'm just going to cover my chest with that. Now you can pin this up on the side, but what I actually like to do is bring it across my neck and then just tuck it into my shirt. And then you can wear earrings, or if you don't want to wear earrings, you can skip the earrings. It still looks really beautiful. And that is style number 2 complete. So for style number 3, I'm using that same crinkle hijab in a different color. And instead of keeping the frill at the front, I'm actually doing a fold just so it looks a little bit cleaner. Obviously it's your choice, and all you need to do is pin on each side of your ears. I would just do this like below the ears because you don't want the pin to hit the ears. And then I'm going to bring the material to one side. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the longer side all across my head. And now we're going to need 3 pins total, or you can use 2 pins. 1 pin I'm going to use right at the top of my head to secure the hijab from moving. And then I'm going to get both of the sides of the hijab, and then I'm going to be pinning it up at the back. I know it's easier to watch this style than explain it, but I get asked about this all the time. Like, I've been using this style for so long on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me, make sure you're following me now. So that's it. This one I really love because of the chest coverage, especially if you're outside and you need to nurse your baby. It's perfect. It covers everything. So style number 4 is this beautiful fancy looking style. I've got some beautiful hoop earrings on, and I'm using this gorgeous patterned hijab. This is chiffon, and the undercap that I've got on is actually a glitter undercap. I'm also really in love with these. They just add the elegance to the whole look. I'm pinning this right underneath my earlobes. One of the sides is a little bit longer, the side that I'm actually going to flip over. You get the longer side and you actually just flip it right across and put it on your head. Now you're going to need 3 pins, 1 for each side of the head, and then I'm going to pin up right at the top. Don't miss the top pin, guys. I did that once and the whole hijab was moving since the material is chiffon. And the fun part is, so what you do is, after you've pinned everything, you get one of the sides of the material that's hanging and you actually loop it through the back and bring it to the front. It looks like such a complicated style. I always get asked whenever I do this style, how did you do that? But it's actually not that hard once you get the hang of it. And now I'm moving on to the last style. Okay, I'm using another beautiful chiffon patterned hijab to do this look. This one is like, I'm going to be pinning it right on my neck, but you can leave that area a bit looser if you don't want to pin it there. I'm going to create a nice little fold, and then I'm using a no snag pin to just pin it right underneath my chin. Obviously, you can just do it however you like. And what I'm going to do is that shorter side, I'm actually gonna tuck it into my shirt. I kept one side extra long because I want to have that really nice, you know, hanging look. That longer side now, I'm flipping over. Of course, I'm going a bit crazy. Flipping over and bringing it to the other side of my head. Now what we're gonna do is create a bunch of folds. I'm using these fancy diamante pins. They're so beautiful, right? And then, you know, I'm gonna pin it up, create a fold, pin it again, and you can keep doing that, you know, until you're happy with the folds. This looks super gorgeous. It's a little bit of a twist from your regular, you know, hijab like this. And that is it, ladies. I really hope you try these out. If you do, don't forget to send me a photo on Instagram or YouTube. Love you guys so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.